How to deposit INR in your UnoCoin wallet. Are you guys facing issues to deposit INR on your UnoCoin wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open UnoCoin on your mobile or laptop devices. To deposit INR on your UnoCoin wallet, on the home screen, tap on Wallet, then choose INR Wallet. Now tap on Deposit and enter the amount you want to add. Select your preferred payment method, either bank transfer, UPI, or IMPS. After selecting the method, you will see UnoCoin's bank details or UPI ID on the screen. Use those details to transfer the money from your bank account. Once you complete the transfer, come back to the UnoCoin app and tap on I have paid. Make sure to enter the reference number or UTR number if required. After submission, the deposit will be verified and your INR balance will reflect in the balance, usually within a few minutes to a few hours depending on the payment method. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to deposit INR in your UnoCoin wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share or subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.